Oh boy, was this interesting. In the middle of nowhere in the woods. Oh. Well, I got some cool footage though. I got to come out here and hang out with a bunch of old friends from Fort Bragg. So that was fun. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And I just got done leaving the compound out here in a little area called Umatilla. I don't know if you've heard of it before, but there's a bunch of old warrant officers, guys that flew, they're older guys, but guys that flew Cobras, Apaches, Blackhawks, some fixed wing stuff. And now like are retired down here and they run different things, which was super cool, to have, to be able to come out and just like spend time and like just do stuff that you enjoy doing with other people that you've spent time with in the past or worked with in the past. And to be out here, there was a couple of other civilian contractors like myself that were out here, and two other guys that were still active duty, just going through the politics and the BS of trying to go through promotion and build their packet, so, and then somebody that's new to the group that just came out, that was just hanging out to, say what's up and kind of grease those wheels, because a lot of these old guys know other people that are in the command structure at Bragg and at Jackson and a couple other places where these guys were trying to, get their advancement. So fun times, but we can go ahead and get into the vlog now that I'm getting out of here. And I'm going to continue on, and I have a little bit of a drive, but we're going to run down to Copart and take a look at a couple of different vehicles. So let's do it. Is this Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins diesel. It is a 2013 with 225,000 miles on it. Now the interior does smell like, the chick that was cool to take home from the bar, but you wake up in the morning and you really aren't happy about it? It smells like that. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, I didn't want to start it. Stop. We need these off. All right, here we go. Let's see if we get a good start. Wait for the glow plugs. Coolant. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens. She's dead. Yep. Damn it. I was very interested in this one. I wanted to see if this one was going to start with only 225,000 miles on it, but it doesn't look like it's going to. Damn. I'm not even going to waste your time with this one, guys. I'll come back. I have to come back to look at a couple of vehicles anyway. But yeah, this one's kind of disappointing. I really wanted to see if this one would start, because I told you I'd be buying another truck, and I might buy one from Copart, even though this one smells like, whew. But it's not completely ragged out. Like seat covers and stuff can be replaced, and as long as this thing runs, drives, and pulls, I'd be all right with it. I don't know. The dust coming off this damn thing. It's a possibility for the right price, but it's not going up for like 2 weeks. So next on my list is the E53 with the 3.0 engine. Again, oh, come on, you're kidding me, right? It's got the best motor on it. It's on my list, but I might not be able to take a damn look at it. If the, I think that the driver's door is broken. It is. It's got an aftermarket sound system in it. Got a Pioneer deck, I see.
sagging headliner. This thing's kind of ragged out, to be honest. Extra key though. Where'd this come from? Brahman Motors, probably out of Jacksonville, huh? And you're dead at the door now, so. Well, no sense of wasting my time on this one. I mean, I pretty much know, well, I know you guys might not know a lot about them, but I know a lot about these X5s. They're great little cars, or, you know, SUVs. If you can get them for the right price. Oh, this one's a repo. Look at that. That one's a repo. So this one's probably ragged out, to be honest. The tires don't look bad. It does have a few scratches and stuff on it, but if it goes for the right price, I'd be interested. All right, now here's an oldie but a goodie. This is an Oldsmobile 442, a 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass with 140,000 miles on the clock. And it looks like it's locked. So much for that. It was on my list, but it does not look like I'm going to get the opportunity to show it to you. We'll have to come back and look at this one again here in the near future. All right, and next on the list is a Maserati Ghibli. Now, this one interests me because it has a low buy it now price. It is missing the front fender. It is missing a lot of the front core support and coolant stuff. You know, things that you would see here in the front. But it's not totally bad. It is listed as a run and drive. It does have 5,277 miles on it. It does have power. And the interior in this thing with 5,000 miles on it obviously is butter. Now, I'm not going to start this where it's missing a lot of its components, but the mileage is actual. Can I turn that? I don't want to start it. Sorry, I had to turn that music down. Well, the satellite radio's still working. It's almost out of gas. You know, I don't want to fire it up. Some people will do that kind of crap. I won't do that. You know, I actually have respect for people's stuff. This is really nice. So, I mean, for the right price, honestly, if this thing goes for the right price, being that most of the bodywork, the stuff that you would have to take off, is already gone, I would definitely be interested in this Mozzie. What do you guys think? Is this a go or a no? Should I be going for this one or not? I think this one is not bad. Somebody was playing golf. Well, you know, you got a T in there. They were listening to Hip Hop Nation. Okay. What else we got in here? Tell me it's an envelope with money. Oh, I can't show you all that. All right. What is this? Looks like something that somebody tried to glue.
Yeah, my Dodge boys know what that is. Yeah, that's a neutral strap. Same way your car could be stolen with a Mopar, you can steal a Ferrari or a Maserati the same way. Shocker.
It's got the little hide spot. I'm a fan. I like this. You know, I like that spot in the Tahoe. That's kind of cool. I don't know. Let me shut it off. Oh, she's powered up. Dun 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 dun. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you guys would like to see me bid on and try to get? If it is, let me know in the comments below. Maybe this would be the new Punisher car. It's not every day you see a ragged out Aston Martin with the crash bar held on by zip ties to the plastic bumper, but there's one for you. This one is beat to crap. It is an 18 Aston Martin DB11 with 4,000 miles on it. And we can't open this one either. The top two ones on my list I want to see, I can't even look at. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. In my opinion, you know, the high dollar ones are the ones parts wise, even if you can't fix them, you make the most money out of. But let me know what you guys think. And last on the list today, we got a Bentley. Now, this thing is actually really pretty for what it is. The damage on the front is really not that extensive, and it's not really ragged out in the interior. But look at the Bentley in here, man. It's actually really, really clean for what it is. That front end damage, I don't know why you would total it for that. It must have undercarriage damage. I'd have to read and see what the full story is on this. But from my looks of it, it looks pretty damn clean to me. Let me know what you guys think. It's not available, it's not up yet, but I wanted to give you guys a quick look at this, because it definitely, I'm adding it to my watch list for sure. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's Copart walk around. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I still have a good 2.5 hours of driving before I get in. I need a shower, I need to chill, I need to relax. But if you enjoyed today's video and you like what I do, do me a huge favor. Smash that thumbs up button like it was disrespectful. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And stay tuned, I have more content for you guys coming soon. I got a couple more updates here on the Lemon Law Ultima. I've already had some of you guys trying to message me, asking me if you can buy it. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if we're gonna see. We'll see. Like, if somebody makes me an offer I can't refuse, and obviously then I would sell it. Everything is for sale. But at this point right now, just because of how great it is, like, look, I'm not a Nissan fan all of a sudden, all right? I'm just saying, as just a daily driver, getting almost 40 miles per gallon, and it's nowhere near as roomy as my 5 Series, but it's close, and I can fit in it comfortably. I think I'm going to keep it.